Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can move your Steam games from one directory to another one and without reinstalling your games. So how to do this? First open your Steam and then click on Steam and then click on settings. Make sure you're logged into your account and then click on storage. Here you'll see all the games and where they are installed. Right now I don't have any game installed in my C drive, so let's suppose we have a game installed in C drive. So first we need to add a directory. Just click on this and then click on add drive, then select your other drive which you want to move your game to. Let's select local drive D and then click on add. Here what you have to do is open this and then select this one which you recently added. Now the games will be listed here. Just you have to click on the checkbox of the game which you want to move. Just select your game and then you have to click on this little move button. You can also uninstall it from here, but we just have to move the game right for now. So just select your directory where you want to move and then click on, and then select your game and then click on move. Once you do this, it will move your game, and yes, now you know how to do this. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.